Have you ever wondered what happens inside the world's largest pig processing factory? Welcome to a place where the magic of technology meets the tradition of meat processing. This colossal factory, spread over acres of land, is the ultimate testament to human ingenuity and technological prowess. Every year, millions of pigs make their way into this factory, each one destined to pass through a series of intricate processes, all facilitated by the marvel of advanced machinery. Here, the hum of automation is the heartbeat of the operation, where precision and efficiency are not just desired, they are demanded. At the core of this operation is a fleet of state-of-the-art machinery, each piece designed with a specific task in mind. Robotic arms, moving with the grace and precision of a ballet dancer, carry out tasks from butchering to packing, while advanced sensors act as the ever-watchful eyes, ensuring that each piece of meat meets the rigorous quality standards set by the factory. But don't think for a moment that machines have taken over completely. This factory is also home to a team of dedicated professionals who work tirelessly behind the scenes. From the butchers who skillfully navigate the anatomy of the pigs, to the quality control inspectors who leave no stone unturned in their pursuit of perfection, every team member plays a vital role in the grand scheme of things. So, if you've ever found yourself curious about the journey of a pig from farm to table, then you're in the right place. As we guide you through the labyrinth of machinery and technology in this factory, you'll witness firsthand the future of meat processing. Get ready to be astounded by the sheer scale and efficiency of it all. Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating step-by-step journey of pig processing in this technological marvel. There's a world of wonder waiting for you, and it's just a click away. So don't miss out, subscribe now, and let's embark on this journey together. The journey begins with the pig's arrival at the factory. This isn't just any factory, but the world's largest pig processing facility, where millions of pigs are transformed into a myriad of products every year. As soon as the pigs arrive, they undergo a thorough inspection. This isn't your typical checkup though. Here we utilize advanced sensor technology to ensure the health and quality of each pig. These sensors are designed to detect any signs of disease or distress, ensuring that only the healthiest pigs move forward in the process. Following the inspection, the pigs are guided towards the initial processing area. Again, technology plays a pivotal role. Robotic systems, designed with precision and care, guide the pigs with a level of accuracy that would be impossible to achieve manually. This automation ensures a seamless transition from arrival to processing, minimizing stress for the animals and maintaining efficiency. Once in the initial processing area, the pigs are prepared for the next stage. Here, a combination of robotics and skilled professionals work in harmony. Advanced machinery handles the larger tasks, while the factory's expert team oversees the process, making sure everything runs smoothly. The use of technology extends to even the most minute aspects of the process. For instance, automated tracking systems keep a record of each pig from its arrival to its final destination as a packaged product. This level of traceability is crucial for maintaining high standards of quality and safety. The initial steps of the process might seem simple, but they are critical. They set the foundation for everything that follows. With the help of technology and a dedicated team of professionals, these steps are carried out with a level of precision and efficiency that is truly remarkable. With the initial steps complete, we now move to the heart of the factory. It's here where the magic really happens, where advanced machinery and skilled professionals come together to transform millions of pigs into high-quality products. So, stay tuned. You don't want to miss what comes next. Welcome to the cutting edge of meat processing. Here, the symphony of advanced machinery and skilled craftsmanship is on full display. We're entering the stage where robotic technology takes the lead, performing the intricate task of cutting and separating the meat with an efficiency that is simply breathtaking. In this stage, robotic arms, guided with precision, perform the delicate task of separating the different cuts of meat. These machines, programmed with a vast database of cuts and measurements, work tirelessly, ensuring that each piece is cut to exact specifications. It's a marvel of modern technology, a testament to how far we've come in the realm of automation and artificial intelligence. But it's not just the speed that's impressive, it's the precision. Thanks to advanced sensors and high-resolution cameras, every cut is made with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring that no meat is wasted. This level of precision was once the exclusive domain of the most skilled butchers. Now, it's all in a day's work for these robotic marvels. Yet, this isn't a process devoid of human touch. On the contrary, skilled professionals oversee the entire operation, ready to step in if needed. They monitor the machines, ensuring that they are operating optimally, and make necessary adjustments based on the size and shape of each pig. It's a harmonious blend of human expertise and robotic efficiency. This cutting and separation process is a critical stage in meat processing. It's here that the meat takes its final form, ready to be packaged and sent to markets around the world. It's a testament to the power of technology and the ingenuity of human engineering, demonstrating how we can harness the power of machines to improve efficiency, reduce waste, and ensure the highest quality products. After the precise cut, we move to the next critical stage. Stay tuned to witness the next level of quality control and packaging. You're about to see how we ensure that each piece of meat that leaves this factory is nothing short of perfect. Ensuring quality is paramount in this factory. In this colossal facility, no stone is left unturned in the pursuit of quality. The role of quality control inspectors is critical. Armed with years of experience and backed by advanced technology, they ensure the meat meets the highest standards of safety and quality. These inspectors are the guardians of quality, examining each cut of meat that comes off the production line. They work with advanced sensors that scan the meat, detecting the slightest imperfections. This technology, combined with the inspectors' keen eyes, ensures that only the best cuts make it to the packaging stage. But don't think for a moment that the technology stops there. The packaging process is a marvel of modern engineering. Robotic arms as precise as a surgeon's hand place each cut of meat into its packaging. These machines work with speed and accuracy, handling thousands of packages every hour. Yet, despite this pace, each package is handled with the utmost care, ensuring the meat remains in perfect condition. Once the meat is safely in its package, it's sealed in a flash by machines that operate with jaw-dropping speed. This isn't just about efficiency though. The sealing process plays a crucial role in preserving the quality of the meat, locking in freshness and flavor. Finally, the packages are labeled with all the information you need. The cut of meat, the date of packaging, and even the exact location in the factory where it was processed. This level of traceability is made possible by the factory's advanced tracking system, giving you peace of mind about the origin of your meat. Quality checked and packaged, the products are now ready to leave the factory. With that, the journey from pig to packaged product is complete. Every cut of meat, processed with precision, checked for quality, and packaged with care, is ready to make its way to kitchens around the world. Behind the advanced technology, there's a team of professionals making it all possible. This is as true in the world's largest pig processing factory as it is anywhere else. While the awe-inspiring machinery and technology tend to steal the spotlight, the human element remains at the heart of the operation. Each day, a team of dedicated professionals work behind the scenes to ensure the smooth running of the factory's operations. They are the unsung heroes of the process, each lending their unique skills and expertise to the task at hand. Picture the butchers, their years of experience reflected in the deftness of their movements. They work in perfect harmony with the machinery, their expert hands guiding the robotic arms to separate the different cuts of meat with unparalleled precision. Their knowledge and craftsmanship ensure that no part of the pig goes to waste, maximizing efficiency and sustainability. Then, there are the quality control inspectors, the guardians of the factory's high standards. They meticulously examine each piece of meat that comes through the line, their keen eyes catching any imperfection that might have slipped through. Their commitment to quality ensures that only the best products make it to your dinner table. And let's not forget the maintenance engineers, constantly monitoring and fine-tuning the machines to ensure optimal performance. Their technical prowess keeps the factory humming along day in and day out. In this vast, buzzing factory, it's easy to be dazzled by the advanced technology. But remember, it's the people behind the process who truly make it all happen. Their skills, dedication, and teamwork are the secret ingredients that make this factory a marvel of modern meat processing. With an incredible team and advanced technology, this factory truly represents the future of meat processing,